It's the biggest shakeup in All Stars history.
Friday, June 5th, RuPaul's Drag Race All Stars is back on VH1.
Somebody said All Stars 5?
Back, my girl.
10 fierce queens are back for their redemption.
I'm here to slay and fillet and slice and dice these bitches.
And this time, they're playing a brand new game.
All-Star rules have been suspended.
I'm sorry, what in the what?
They'll lip sync for their legacy against a lip sync assassin. A different superstar queen every week.
Reveal yourself!
Get ready for new surprises.
I was blown away.
You performed tonight like somebody who has something to prove.
World out there, it's harder than you think. It's what drag should be.
No one is safe.
New shade.
You called her a pig in a wig.
There is beef, and everyone is eating it.
And new stars.
You are so unique.
You're actually my favorite.
Such a fan.
Gorgeous.
And it all starts with a judge that bangs.
Freaky Martin, bitch.
RuPaul's Drag Race All Stars returns Friday, June 5th at 8.